All right, look at this little beautiful thing here. Now this has 4 blades, if you guys can see that. It has this great little design, and this is because you could put in between your fingers and smooth yourself out pretty much. Now there is a type C on here, and you hold down the button, 1, 2, 3, it turns on, and then turns off, turns on, turns off. Rechargeable type C. Now if you're gonna travel, because this thing automatically turns on as soon as you hit it on and off after the 3 seconds, hold on to 3 seconds and it's gonna actually go into sleep mode, so you could travel with it. But this thing, I'm gonna try it. Now, one important thing I forgot to mention, that it has this area that's magnetic. This is magnetic, if you guys can see it. So these are replaceable, magnetic. Look at that, beautiful. So if you're gonna clean it, submergible it's not, but waterproof yes. So you could shower with this, or if you have water, because I am going to throw water on my head, and we're going to test it out to see how well this thing works. So let's go and do that. All right, so we prepped our hair. That means we shorten it out, and then we're going to turn this on. And the great thing about it is that, look at that, nice and smooth cut. This actually feels good. Now, recommendations: wet your hair, all right? And you got plenty of modes, all right? So you got to trim your hair. This will not trim your hair. You have to trim it down, all right? First, trim your hair. Make sure you trim it. Get that nice going. And put some soap if you can. Make it nice and slippery. This thing feels so good. Hard places to reach. Underneath your neck. That's nice and smooth. That's really smooth. Wow. I didn't even have a pimple there. Look at that. Really good. So it came out not bad. Now, just to let you guys know, you got to make sure you put soap, because you're gonna get burned. All right. If you don't do that, it's not gonna leave a little good. And see these bumps? It's because I didn't put enough liquid in there, so just make sure you do that on the first one, right? The first pass when you're doing your head. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video.